Greetings and welcome to All in One Perspective. How are your thoughts, connections today? So this video is kind of like late during the week, but I still want to make a video. So as I'm talking, I'm just gonna eat some mango, some frozen mango. Alrighty, so today is just gonna be a very chill, laid-back video, but at the same time it's an advice that I remember that I want to throw out to you guys, and hopefully you guys like it. It's like a very, chill vibe video. If you can tell by the lights, the light on the back, okay. Very chill video. Alright, so I really truly believe that everything happens for a reason. One of the questions that I feel like a lot of people questioned, or at least I did, and then I started to realize, some people think that the law of attraction doesn't work for them just because it's not going on their favor, but the law of attraction is always working. And here's what I mean. Ready? And 3, 2, okay, so everything happens for a reason, right? So what you go through is to align you and prepare you with what you need to learn beforehand. So first you need to go through this to be able to, learn a lesson and know what you now want and what you do not want. So when the thing that you've been waiting for and it's coming your way, you're able to see it and align with it more differently and more aware of it than if you were like back then receiving it. In order to receive the rainbow, you need to go to the lessons, and in the lessons you're going to find some rough patches because it is a lesson. You're learning, you're experiencing it. Yeah, that's how you learn. It goes as you take it. So we come here for, major things. One of the main one is to learn the lessons. And like I said in my previous video, you need to go through some lessons to pass it, to go to another lesson, so that at the end you're able to ascend to your purpose. It might seem like the law of attraction is not working, but the law of attraction is always working. This happens so that you could be prepared for better things. Sometimes you just need to go through the bad, for example, through a bad relationship. And I feel like a relationship is a good example. Like in a relationship, you have to go through the blah to be able to realize from your mistakes. And on the next relationship, you're going to do things different. You're going to align with the relationship that was always there for you, the relationship that was meant for you. But in order to get that relationship that was meant for you, you need to go through the blah so that so that you know what you want and understand what you do not want. Because you went through it with experience, once you learn that lesson, you have enlightenment. Your perspective changes and you see things differently, clearly. And then you are now ready for what is coming to you, your desire, what you always been wanting to come. Like, okay, how can I explain this? So there is a cloud. Okay, so let's say point A, point B, and in the middle is point C, the cloud. So in order to get to point B, you need to go through the cloud. And it's funny because through the cloud, it's a C, right? The last one. But it's because it's the key to B. When you're in point A, things are unclear and you have the veil. You're living in the illusion. You're still learning. You're still putting pieces together and bumping into the same problems and into the same bad relationships and into the same lifestyle that you do not want. But it's not until you go into point C, which is the cloud, that you start realizing things with more clarity. The lesson is now more clear and more vivid. So the veil that you have, you're seeing it more vivid, like it's disappearing. And therefore, you're able to find point B, where you're going to take the veil of illusion out and align with your desire because your perspective changed. The way you saw it has changed now because of this experience, because of point A. So it is different, and you're not gonna see it until when you notice it. And right now I'm just gonna show you guys how I like my tea de manzanilla, which is this one right here. I heat up water and then I put the tea, and then I put honey. I put like one, depending how much water you add, but I just put like that much of honey. And you put it inside. And then I like to do it with some lemon as well. So that just like a little drops so that it could taste good. And then we do some for like the whole family, and we enjoy it as we're like watching like movies now in quarantine. This is what we do. We put a little bit of lemon and then tea with tea de manzanilla and honey. It's really good for you and it tastes really good. You guys should try it with like lemon, the little drops. It's really good. Thanks. I hope you guys liked a little recipe for the tea that me and like my family use. But besides that, what else have I been doing in this quarantine? Well, you know, my hair was naturally just my virgin color, but then I decided to like dye it. You know, why not? Like, so my hair was supposed to be like a gray color. I'll put a picture right here, and this is how I wanted it to be, and it went like this. So this is how my hair turned out. And I put bleach, the color that I dyed it. I put too much on my black hair when it was not supposed to be there. It was just supposed to be on the bleach stripped. So you see how right here is like brown? It was supposed to just be highlights originally, pero yo de mensa me puse like the color brown right here. It was supposed to be gray, but it turned brown because this was not the bleach part. You know, dejé por mucho tiempo and look how it looks. So I'm trying to fix that. And right here the same thing. And this is a clip of how it went wrong that day. Bien smoky blue. So I got an appointment already to go fix my hair, so stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that next video you guys are gonna be able to see my transformation of my hair, like how it's gonna look. So stay tuned, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up, and I will connect with you guys again on my next video. So stay tuned, and as always, spread passion, much love, and peace.